Did you know that the average person wastes over $18,000 a year on non-essential items without even realizing it? Everyone tells you the solution to wealth is buying a house or getting a raise. But what if I told you that your biggest financial enemy isn't the big purchases? It's the death by 1,000 cuts. It's the $5 here and the $10 there that you don't even track. In the next few minutes, I'm going to expose the 5 silent money killers hiding in your daily routine. If you plug these leaks, you give yourself an instant raise. Let's begin.
Welcome back. The problem we face isn't that we are bad with money, it's that we are distracted. We live in the subscription economy, where companies are designed to siphon money from your pocket quietly. So in today's video, we are not just cutting coupons, we are building a financial firewall. This blueprint has 3 layers. If you miss the third one, which is about the convenience tax, you will stay broke forever. Stay until the end for a 24-hour challenge that will save you at least $100 by tomorrow morning.
Let's start with the foundation, the pain of paying. When you use cash, you feel a psychological pinch. When you use a card or Apple Pay, you feel nothing. This is called frictionless spending. Companies spend billions to remove the friction because they know that if you don't feel the pain, you won't stop the spending. The first step to fixing this isn't math. It's bringing the pain back into the process.
But wait, here is the trap. You might think I'm going to tell you to stop drinking coffee. Wrong. The latte factor is a myth. The real problem isn't the coffee you love, it's the zombie expenses you don't even care about. We are not here to make your life boring, we are here to make your spending intentional. Cutting waste allows you to spend more on what you actually love. Let's look at the 5 culprits.
Now let's identify the 5 thieves. 1. The convenience tax. Ordering Uber Eats because you're too tired to cook. You pay a 40% premium for laziness. 2. Zombie subscriptions. The gym you don't go to, the streaming service you don't watch. They are eating your wallet while you sleep. 3. Brand loyalty. Buying Advil instead of generic ibuprofen. It's the exact same chemical, but you pay 300% more for the shiny box. 4. Food waste. The average family throws away 30% of their groceries. That is literally throwing cash in the trash. 5. Bank fees, ATM fees, overdraft fees. This is money you pay just to access your own money. It's insane.
The final enemy is opportunity cost. You might say, it's just $10 a month for Netflix. Who cares? Let me tell you who cares. Your future self. That $10 a month invested at 8% for 40 years is over $35,000. These tiny expenses aren't just costing you $10 today, they are robbing you of a fortune tomorrow. Do not underestimate the power of small numbers. So stop bleeding money on things that don't matter. Here is your 24-hour challenge. Log into your bank account right now. Look at your recurring payments. Find one subscription you haven't used in the last 30 days and cancel it immediately. Just one. If you accept this challenge, write "leak plugged" in the comments. See you at the top.